Okay guys, we're going to be listening to this area right here. Behind this cover is your timing chain. And there's actually a little upper cover that we can take off to get a peep at the tensioner and stuff. So I'm going to be showing you where all the bolts are, how to take it off. Okay guys, I got all the bolts out, and you have 3 right there. A couple of them are just ground straps, but you want to take them off anyways. One right there, a few down there, and there's one. There's one way down there, and there's also another one. Then one more final thing I gotta do. There is a connector right there that you just have to push down on and pull out. So just like that. Okay guys, got the cover off. I also forgot to mention that there's a bolt right here, and there's also another way longer one. Well, yeah, never mind. That was the only bolt. And so, let me try and get you a good angle here. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this on camera, but that is our tensioner down there. So that is our tensioner. You can kind of see it on video, but not really. This tensioner is driven by oil pressure, so you can kind of see where it used to be resting. There's like a very clear line, and there's like new parts of the tensioner that are showing, so it seems to be pretty stretched out. Now mind you, this is not with oil pressure, but it seems pretty loose, even though there's no tension. There's not too much tension on it right now. So I'm going to be replacing this timing chain in the next video. I'll show you guys the kit I'm going to order, but for now I'm actually going to paint the outside of this cover and see how it holds up before I do that job, because I want to paint the whole cover, the oil pans, upper and lower oil pan. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to video that, but should be interesting. Oh yeah, might want to put a catch can or something underneath your car, because this cam phaser is going to leak out a bunch of oil when you pop that cover off. Okay guys, I'm part of some different Nissan Sentra forums on Facebook and such. I asked a question, which timing chain is the best one to get, and everybody's saying to go with the Cloys one, and you can get off Rock Auto for 143 bucks. You get your exhaust camshaft sprocket, your crankshaft sprocket, timing chain guides, timing chain tensioner, balance shaft chain tensioner, both your balance shaft and your timing chain. And so I got this thing coming on the way. So next video I'll be showing you guys how to install that, and I'm going to be painting the covers and the oil pans. So stay tuned for that video. So please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.